Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the Lamicall bike phone holder, Amazon's #1 bestseller in motorcycle and bike phone mounts. Let's see if it's really worth the hype. Hook 10 sec, over 60,000 ratings and 30,000 units sold just this month. That's a lot of riders trusting this little gadget. But does it actually keep your phone safe on bumpy rides? Let's find out. Features: 45 sec, sturdy and safe. This mount grips all four corners of your phone tightly. And there's even a red lock switch on the back so your phone won't pop out while riding. Shockproof protection. It comes with silicone pads that protect your phone from scratches and absorb vibration. Super handy for rough roads. Wide compatibility. It works with any phone between 4.7 and 6.8 inches, including iPhone 17 Pro Max, 16, 15 series, Samsung Galaxy S24, S23, and even Google Pixel and LG phone. Basically, if you've got a smartphone, it'll fit adjustable viewing. You can rotate your phone horizontal or vertical, perfect for GPS, music, or calls while riding. Easy installation. No tools needed, just clip it onto your handlebar. It fits handlebar diameters from 0.59 to 1.57 inches, so it works on bikes, motorcycles, e-bikes, scooters, even strollers and shopping carts. Demo usage: 20 sec. Show product in action if possible. As you can see, the grip is solid, and even when I shake the handlebar, the phone stays locked in place. Plus, switching between portrait and landscape mode is super smooth. Price and value: 10 sec. And the best part? It's only around $15.99 on Amazon with free Prime shipping, which is honestly a steal for the safety and convenience it gives. Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing the Lamicall bike phone holder, Amazon's #1 bestseller in motorcycle and bike phone mounts. Let's see if it's really worth the hype.